मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ सिंगला रेस्टोरेंट इन तिलक नगर। तो आज मैंने ऑर्डर किया ये तंदूरी सोया चाप। And this is the chutney. So I'm going to try. The flavor is very nice and it's very smoky and tender. It's very yummy and very tasty. And it's very spicy as well. So I'm done with tandoori chop. So now I ordered this one, rasmalai. This is the inside the restaurant.